Here at Buff Dude's Kitchen, we like it easy, and it doesn't get much easier than 3-ingredient banana oat pancakes. The recipe comes from our newly released Buff Dude's Cookbook, link in description, 200 pages, 100 plus recipes. Check it out if you get a chance. Let's get to this recipe because it's easy, but it doesn't sacrifice taste. Yeah. First thing we're gonna wanna go ahead and do is preheat our stovetop to medium high. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. And we're going to lightly oil our frying pan. So once we're finished with the recipe, we can put the pancakes right on there. Let's start making the pancakes. As I said in the beginning, super simple. You're gonna start with your banana. Go ahead and unpeel it. What we're gonna be doing is taking a medium-sized mixing bowl, putting it in. You're gonna take a fork, and what you wanna do is mash that little banana to pieces. That's gonna be our base. And what I love about this recipe is it doesn't matter if you're a bachelor, it doesn't matter if you've got a family, because I've been both, and in both cases, time is kind of the essence. If you're a bachelor, you gotta get to work, you need something really fast, this is perfect for that. And if you got a family, well, your kids are probably waking you up first thing in the morning wanting to know where breakfast is. So this has got you covered in both of those scenarios. The great thing is it's got an excellent mix of macros, that being protein, carbohydrates, and fat. So a great way to start your day. And these ingredients can be found basically anywhere. So it's not one of those things where you're gonna need a really wacky ingredient that you gotta go and make a special trip for. You probably got these in your pantry and refrigerator already. And we have the banana mixed up. So having done that, we're gonna take the 2 eggs. I'm gonna crack that right in there along with the banana, nice. And once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and take a 1/2 cup of oats, put it right over the top, and then we're gonna mix all of that together. Boom. With this amount, you're gonna be making just about 6 small pancakes. The total calories is gonna work itself out to 420. So of course you could always double it up if this doesn't quite satisfy you. I know some of you buff dudes out there, myself included, we have pretty big breakfasts. Mine is typically around the 1,000 calorie mark. So a lot of times I'll just go ahead and make twice the amount. But this is good if, as I said, you're in a hurry or maybe your appetite isn't as big. We got it mixed up. That was super simple, and the great thing is, since we preheated our pan, that's ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and throw this on there, and we're gonna get cooking. Grabbed a spoon for this process. What we're gonna go ahead and do is just spoon it in there, whatever you prefer, the size. I'm gonna make mine, small to medium, because I wanna have a stack of these things when I'm done. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in there right there. Be a little bit of an art form to get that perfect circular shape. It doesn't matter what they look like, thankfully, it's still gonna taste good, no matter how deformed your pancakes may end up looking. So I got 3 right there. I'll go ahead and use the rest of the batter once these are done. We're gonna go ahead and let these cook. Of course, you do wanna check them from time to time. Everyone's stovetop's a little bit different, but we're gonna generally cook them for about 3 minutes, flip them, cook them for 1 more minute, and then they're gonna be good to go. 3-ingredient pancakes are finished. I made it 5 because I had a little bit of butter and syrup, but you don't have to. And if you want a great alternative to syrup, you can always use unsweetened applesauce if you want to have your sugars in check, which I like to do from time to time. Enough said, let's do a taste test. Fantastic. Hope you enjoy the recipe. If you end up making it yourself, let us know. Make sure and pick up our cookbook. It doesn't get much easier than this, but thankfully it's tasty as hell. Great for those with no time or on a budget. Try it out. Until next time, stay buff.